Okay, now we're going to do systems using substitution. So we're going to make sure we're reading and using what we know. We want to isolate a variable in one equation. Okay, so this one, the x is isolated. So I will draw a box around that, and I will draw my arrow to where it needs to go. It's going to replace the x. So the 3 will stay. The x will get replaced with, in parentheses, 6y minus 5. Nothing else has an x, so just bring the rest down. So negative y equals 15. Now we're going to distribute and solve. So 3 times 6y, so that's 18y. 3 times negative 5 is negative 15. Minus 8y equals 15. Now look for like terms. 18y and negative 8y. Same side, just combine them. So 18 minus 8. So that's 10y minus 15 equals 15. Add the 15 to both sides, so 10y equals 30. Divide by 10, so y equals 3. That's part of it. Now what you do is you need to take what y equals and plug it into either one of your equations. I will plug it into the second one because it makes it easier. So x equals 6 instead of y. I know y equals 3 minus 5. So 6 times 3 is 18. 18 minus 5 is 13. So there's your other answer. Now, just like when you solve systems on a graph, they have to be written as a coordinate. So 13, comma 3 is your final answer. Okay. Now, what do we do on this one? Doesn't matter which one you box because they both equal y. So I'm going to take that first one, plug it in for y. So I will have 3x minus 8 equals 5x plus 6. No like terms on either side, so I'm going to subtract the 5x. I have negative 2x minus 8 equals 6. Add the 8, so negative 2x equals 14. Divide by negative 2. X is negative 7. So there's part of it. Plug it into that other equation. So y equals 3 instead of x, that's negative 7 minus 8. 3 times negative 7 is negative 21. Minus 8 is negative 29. There's your other piece. Now all you have to do is write as a coordinate, negative 29. Oops, wrong one. Sorry, x first. Negative 7, comma negative 29. Okay. Now, what happens when one is not isolated? You need to get it isolated. So I'm going to take this negative x and move it to that side. So I will have y equals x minus 6. That's my new equation. I now have it isolated. Plug it in for y. So I will have 4x minus 4. Instead of y, I'll do x minus 6 equals 24. Bring the 4x down, distribute the negative 4x. So negative 4x plus 24 equals 24. Those 4x's cancel. Now the question is, does 24 equal 24? It does. So this means it's infinite solutions. They're the exact same line. Okay, this one, move this 3y. So I got to isolate it. Move that 3y over there. So I'll have x equals 3y plus 4. X is now isolated. Put a box. Go up to the top. So 2 times 3y plus 4 minus 6y equals 20. Distribute. So 6y plus 8 minus 6y equals 20. Those y's cancel again. Does 8 equal 20? Never. That means there's no solution. Those lines are parallel.